Hey, friends. All right, we are going to read a story called Off We Go. It's a bear and a mole story. Bear picked books off the shelf. He put them in a bag. Ready, Mole? Asked Bear. Bear, I need some help, replied Mole. Mole grinned. These need to come off. I'm writing today, he declared. What are these? Training wheels, that's right. So he's kind of saying that he's ready to ride like a big boy. Whoa. They removed, Bear checked, Mole tugged his boots on. They hoisted, Mole packed, Mole snapped. At last, Mole was ready. Oh, goodness. Mole kicked off, Bear pushed. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Rash! Mole sobbed. I quit. Poor Mole. That's sad. I think you can, encouraged Bear. You do? Mole took a deep breath and wiped his eyes. Ready? Off we go. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Go, 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 shouted Bear. Faster, 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 said Mole. You're doing it, whooped Bear. Bump, bump, bump. Whoa, whoa, exhaled Mole. Look out, shouted Bear. Whew. Oh dear, Bear grimaced. Flap, flap, flap. Look out, called Bear. Scramble, scramble, scramble. Oh no, Bear sighed. Oh, he's going down a big hill. I did it, hollered Mole. You certainly did, Bear, said Bear with a smile. So he did it. He rode his bike. He almost gave up, but he tried again, and he rode his bike like a big boy. Bye, friends.